This is Nikki Terry Style, sweatpants edition. Okay, just kidding. For this video, I thought I'd actually invite you to join me while I pack for a long weekend away in the mountains. So, two quick things as an intro to this video. I personally love watching YouTube videos where people pack for a trip. I am a chronic overpacker. I enjoy seeing other people's process and strategies for how they can bring less and still maintain the style that they want. Secondly, and on a more serious note, we're going to be traveling to the mountains in Southern Virginia, and it's an incredibly beautiful and serene place. And I've always felt very fortunate that we're able to go there often because we have family there. Especially in these times, being able to travel, to get away, I know that is such a privilege. I do want to be sensitive to that. And my hope would be to share this beauty with you because for some it might provide some type of comfort or escape. And only because I've been in times in my life where YouTube was a comfort and an escape. So I just really needed to address it before we go forward in this video. Okay guys, we really are about to get into this, I promise. As many times as I've taken this trip, I'm never quite sure how to pack for it. I need to be stylish, but also practical. And you never quite know what a weekend on the mountain is going to entail. It could be muddy, the temperature can vary. Frankly, I could get put to work out in the woods. So packing for it is a bit of a challenge. So I think we're going to start with taking you into my closet, go pick out a handful of items, and then secondly, we'll style them up and pack my bag. So if that sounds good to you, let's get started in the closet. Are you ready to go to the mountain too? Do you want to go for a car ride? I'm definitely going to be gravitating toward things that are lightweight and good in the heat. I'm definitely going to want some bright colors, I think, on this trip, and just some more casual neutrals that'll go and coordinate with a couple different things. Okay, I think I decided I'd like to pull a couple of dresses as options. I actually wore this one last time I went out to the mountains. Obviously I have tons of black. I have a couple t-shirt dresses. These are a good option too for a trip like this. I usually just belt them and wear them with sandals, and it's a really easy outfit that actually looks styled up. This one, actually, I haven't worn it in a while, and it's a really comfortable cotton maxi dress, and it has pockets. I've also got a couple of denim skirts, and those could go with a lot of different stuff, so I think I'll grab this one. Okay, we're ready to get dressed, and I actually already started because I figured the charm of me in my sweatpants had probably worn off by now. And I've tried to get the best camera angle I can, so bear with me. But this is the dress, obviously, and I think I'm gonna actually put like a t-shirt over it and see if I can do like a layered look. So I'm gonna try that. Feel a little bit Disney princess. Like, is this like Belle or something? Well, maybe I look a little too farm girl, but I think I could pull it off. Okay, so like I would never actually work in it like this. I just thought I should put in some effort on the styling for the sake of the video. Okay, made my final decisions, and last step for me before I put it all into the bag is I lay everything out on my bed. I don't know if that's weird or not, but this is how I do it. So I'll show you, and I've got maybe some travel tips that might interest you as we go through. This is my weekender bag. This is like my ride or die. It expands in the middle, which I love, and have 2 different size bags in one, and we like that. So I'm actually planning to wear this outfit for the car ride there tomorrow, so I'm not going to pack it, but I'll have these shorts with me to wear. Also can go with some of the other tops I'll bring. And then the next day we're doing like a socially distant family picnic type of thing, and so I thought it'd be fun to wear my dress for that, and most likely with this white tee. But since I ended up needing just like one extra backup tee to come with me anyway, I threw in the brown one. So technically I still have that option to wear it with the dress or with a pair of shorts. And I've got a second pair along with the last 2 days I can wear my stripy tee and my yellow tee. The little tropical headband and some barrettes. Just a cute way to like zhuzh up my hair on a bad hair day. I'll put the barrettes into this little clear bag that I use for accessories, which I love because I can actually like just see everything that I brought and pull it out easily. I did decide to go with the white sneakers against my practical judgment. Hopefully you don't end up getting them totally ruined in mud or anything. And the last few things, like, I don't know if you care, but I am bringing loungewear. I've got like a t-shirt short combo, as well as a pair of sweatpants if I'm especially outside, like at a fire pit or something in the evening and need to be cozy. I thought I'd show you just a few things that are like my go-to like travel tips as well. And the first one is dry shampoo, which if you don't know, like dry shampoo is just a miracle of life in general, and I love it. My favorite is the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo, and this isn't like an ad or anything. I just honestly thought I would share that I love this one because it smells really good, and for like fine oily hair like I have, it does work really well and will actually help like preserve my hairstyle for days, so I don't have to wash and redo my hair every day. So that goes. I also have like the cutest little hair tool, travel size. It's the Babyliss Pro, if I pronounce that correctly. I saved up my Ulta points for a very long time to get the full size one because they're kind of expensive, but got to use my points. And when I finally did get to pick this up, it came with the travel size guy, and I'm so stoked because this works just as well on my short fine hair. It works just as well as the full size one, and it's so teeny it can go in my bag. And the last thing I'll share is just kind of an odd tip, but maybe interesting. You know when you stay in a hotel and the curtains don't close all the way, and then you have all this light pollution coming in and it could keep you awake day or night? Well, I'm not a fan of that. So I bring these along to not only use in my hair, but to clip the curtains all the way closed. So that's my pro travel tip, is to throw some of these hair clips in your bag so you can keep light pollution out and sleep well. All right, that's it. I'm ready to pack it all up in the bag. Okay, now it's time to pack my dog. He has needs too. They are not very stylish, but gotta get his stuff together. And we will see you soon up on the mountain.
If you had the chance, would you change the world? Would you change the world? Because I didn't say save the world, I said change the world, improve it, make it better than we find it. One flap of the wing can have a really distinct change in the weather. Because I didn't say save the world, I said change the world, improve it, make it better than we find it.
So guess what? I had to come down the mountain into town today, and I've got a little bit extra time where I can go thrifting. So you know I'm gonna take advantage of that. And I am gonna take you with me, of course. I'm actually gonna put this in a separate Thrift With Me video. The link is in the description box, so you can click that link if you'd like to come inside and thrift with me in this Goodwill. Okay, this store. Spoiler, I found so much vintage in my size, and I don't know if I just put it out there into the universe and it came true. I just hauled a huge bag out of there. It includes a high-end, like, luxury designer item that I thrifted for, I think, $4. Go watch this video next because I definitely scored on some really cool stuff. I died when I saw that label. Yeah. Wow.